हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम होमोमॉर्फिज्म के बारे में देखेंगे। होमोमॉर्फिज्म समाकलन। ये दो ग्रुप के बीच में एक प्रतिचित्रण मूलतः प्रतिचित्रण G and star is the group and another group say G and operation. These are two groups and a mapping is there from this set to this set, say F. F is a mapping from group G star to group G operation. And if this mapping satisfies the property for F A operation B, means A is the element of this one under the map of under the map of F, image of A is F A. And B is another element of this group and F image of B is FB. Then A operation B, since it is a group, A operation B will also be member of this group. So let us define like this: A operation B is the member of this group. Closure property due to closure property. So A operation B belongs to this group, and F image of this A operation B will be equal to F A operation B, and if F A operation B is equal to F A operation. Now this is the operation for this group, F A and F B. Means image of A is FA, image of B is FB, and A operation B gives us the element A operation B, and F image of this A operation B will be equal to A FA is the element of this group FA, and operation is this one, so O FB. If these two are equal, then this mapping is known as होमोमॉर्फिज्म और इसे हम समाकारिता कहेंगे। तो ये समाकारिता की मूल परिभाषा। अब इसमें कुछ छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, जैसे ये ग्रुप स्वयं हो जाए, ये ग्रुप G स्टार है, और अगर ये ग्रुप भी G स्टार ही हो जाए तो होमोमॉर्फिज्म के साथ साथ उसको क्या कहेंगे? एंडोमॉर्फिज्म। मीन्स F A operation B will be equal to F A operation F B, where this F is mapping, F is the mapping from G to itself, G to G. When mapping is from the same group to same group, then it is known as endomorphism, और हिंदी में इसको अंत्यकारिता। अंत्य। अब कुछ और चीजें हैं इस होमोमॉर्फिज्म के साथ। अगर ये होमोमॉर्फिज्म 1-1 है, मीन्स एक एलिमेंट की एक ही इमेज है, तो इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? If it is 1-1, then it is known as monomorphism. Means एककी समाकारिता। Monomorph means 1-1 F image of A to itself. One image of FA is this one. FB is another image. FC, all elements having one image only, then this is known as एकची समाकारिता या मोनोमॉर्फिज्म। और इसके साथ ही अगर ये आच्छादक हो, इपीमॉर्फिज्म आच्छादक हो, तो हम इसे इपीमॉर्फिज्म कहेंगे। मीन्स आच्छादक समाकारिता। आच्छादक समाकारिता मीन्स एककी में तो एक इमेज एक ही होगी, आच्छादक में इस G के हर एलिमेंट की इमेज, इसको G डैश कहते हैं, G डैश। दिस इज समवॉट डिफरेंट ग्रुप। सो F mapping is F from G to G dash. So if it is 1 1, it is known as monomorphism. If it is on 1 1 on to, not 1 1, it is simply on to, then it is known as epimorphism. Means F G, image of all G lies in G dash, and every element of G is engaged having some pre-image in this one. Every element on to means every element of G dash having some pre-image in this G, then it is known as epimorphism. Now the combination of these two, homomorphism, monomorphism, epimorphism, is known as isomorphism. Means a morphism तुल्यकारिता। तुल्यकारिता means a morphism from G F is a mapping from G to G dash, a mapping from G to G. This is equal to Fg is equal to G dash, and every element of G having some pre-image. So this is known as epimorphism, and epimorphism is 1 1 on to. Epimorphism is 1 1 and on to. Morphism, epimorphism is 1 1 and on to, then this is known as isomorphism. And such group G and G dash are known as isomorphic group. G and G dash are known as isomorphic groups. So, and if this is isomorphic, if this is from G to G dash, and in this case, if F is from G to G, F is from G to G, then, and it is 1 1 as well as on to, then this is known as automorphism. Automorphism means a mapping which is 1 1 onto स्वयकारिता। इसको हिंदी में स्वयकारिता। Means F is a mapping from G to G, and it is 1 1. It is on to. Such type of mapping is known as automorphism or swaykarita. If groups are different, then this is known as isomorph. If group are same, means from the same group to same group, a mapping is from same group to same group, then it is known as automorph. So we define different types of homomorphism, different kind. Means monomorphism if it is 1-1, epimorphism if it is on-to, isomorphism if it is 1-1 as well as on-to. Now, there are examples of homomorphism which is 1-1 but not on-to, which is on-to but not 1-1. There are examples. We should learn these examples also. And there are examples which is 1-1 on-to or 1-1 homomorphism with 1-1 and on-to, that is isomorphic groups. So we have to learn all these type of groups and should know the practical examples of all these. Now, one important aspect to learn about homomorphism is that we should know the kernel of homomorphism, ASTI. Kernel of homomorphism means ASTI. Kernel of homomorphism means an अस्थि, समाकारिता की अस्थि, समाकारिता की अस्थि। ये है क्या? एक ग्रुप है G ऑपरेशन, दिस इज द ग्रुप, ऑपरेशन इज स्टार, and another group G dash with operation O. These are two groups. A mapping is there from this group to this group, say M is the mapping. Means element of this map to this having some image in this. Another element having some image here. And there may be some elements. There are some specific elements having only one image, that is identity of this group. E dash is the identity of this group, and these are all elements having image as identity of this group. Then the set of this set is known as kernel of this homomorphism. Means kernel of this homomorphism is a set, say K is the kernel, element of K are X such that X belongs to G, all those elements which belongs to the set G and having the image and Fx is equal to identity of this second group. So this is a set of which each and every element having image identity of second group, then such a set is known as kernel of the homomorphism. So we should also learn about this. Now let us take two examples. F is a mapping from complex number, non-zero complex number to non-zero real number with the mapping Fx is equal to mod x. What happens? Fx means x belongs to x is a complex number, non-zero complex number, to mapping x mod x. Naturally, mod x is a number, real number, and it belongs to R0. This is a mapping. Now what happens here, x a प्लस आयोटा बी टाइप एलिमेंट्स होंगे इसमें x और a प्लस वेदर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शुड try to find that this is a homomorphism or not. First of all, we should know. So R0, this is a R0 plus or multiplication. This is a first group is say this is C0 and multiplicative operation, multiplication operation, and this is R0 and operation is same again multiplication. Now this is the mapping C0 to R0. This is one group and this is another. And the mapping is like this, fx is equal to mod x. What happens? Whether this is a homomorphic or not, we have to see it. F x and y, x into y are two elements. X and y are two elements. We know fx here from this mapping we can see fx is equal to mod x and fy is equal to mod y. Means if x is this element, then its image is under map fx is equal to mod x, and y is this element, then image of this is fy is equal to mod y. These two are two elements having the image mod x and mod y in this R0 dot. Now fx dot y will be equal to, according to this definition, x mod x y. And for real numbers we can see that this is equal to mod x and mod y, and mod x is nothing but fx into this mod y is nothing but fy. So this holds the definition of homomorphism, therefore it is a homomorphism. So this is a homomorphism. Again, let us try to see, is it what is the kernel of this, and it is 1 1 or on 2 or whatever it may be. So what is identity for this group? Multiplicative group, non-zero element, identity element is 1. So all those elements, all those complex, non-zero complex number f a plus iota b is the complex number and whose image is 1. So all those elements mod a plus iota b, mod a plus iota b is 1, then all these elements having mod as 1 is the are the element of this set, and it is the kernel. It belongs to the kernel. So these are the elements. Now with whether it is 1 1 or on 2, every element of this set having some pre-image, means every real number, this is a real number, this is a real number, every real number associated with some complex number in this group, then it is known as, every real number is engaged with the elements of this group. So this is on 2, this is 1 1, and this is on 2. How we can say it is 1 1 or on 2? It is 1 1 if fa is equal to fb, then implied and implied by A is equal to B. If it is so, then FA is equal to FB. This is mod A and this is mod B. Then naturally A is equal to B. If it happens, then it will be 1 1, and on to for every element of G dash, every element of R0 having some pre-image in C0, then it is known as onto. So we can see all these elements and all these about the definitions of homomorphism, definition of kernels, and a simple example that I have taken today. In next time we will see some properties of homomorphism. Thank you to all.